So I've had this on for a couple of days and I'm playing around with it. I need to take all the knobs off of it and clean them. They're kind of grimy. There's a picture in a magazine of one with the plastic on it. Double E. Forget what the heck I was looking at. But anyway, we're looking through all these old magazines and I get this thing going. I still have to figure out why it doesn't work on 10 meters. Just that band. So, I'm going to pull the crystals out and see if the crystal is some kind of CB radio crystal. Because it works 11, no 10A, and then all the rest of 10 works. So, I really have been too busy to sit here and do an alignment and check everything on the radio. I basically cleaned it up, figured out why it wasn't working on receive, got that to come back, talked on it, found some intermittent problems, left it plugged in for a couple days so far, talked on it a few times, and just been kind of letting it sit here running. And then after a while, then I'll go in and do an alignment. I mean, the thing is supposedly never been used in the last 20 years. So 15 or 20 years. And like the guy got it from somebody else and packed it around with him and never used it. He took it in a trade and never used it. So it needs to be on for a while and be used and then do an alignment. You don't want to align something that's been sitting for 20 years, so let it run for a while, let the caps, get some juice in them and see if they're going to explode or do anything. I generally find the caps in these are pretty good. Like this era of radios, the capacitors, they seem to be like a lot better. Like you could take a newer radio and the capacitors would be long gone. So whatever they did back then, it was a lot better. So anyway, I need to get it off of the kitchen table too. So we've kind of got these ones here in the house. And I need another radio to do FT8 since my 746 Pro is out in the shop.